The video's source is similar to the image in that we're going to use video.src, this video URL, which would normally be locally in your user area, but we're going to use the external link here. You'll see in just a moment, and then the width and the height, and then the controls, which I'll show you what that does now in just a second. There's the URL, so it just says under the image, create. So we'll go back down to where the image is. So here's the image. So I'm just going to put in there video src equals. Now we could just put the actual image in itself, and then I'm going to say width equals, let's say 200, and then end that tag, or end the opening it at least, and then I'm going to end in this here, end the video tag. Oh, let's spell it right, end video. Now in that gap there, we can say video is not supported. This will only show if there's an error message. So video is not by PC or something, we'll say, or by browser, etc. Right. So if we run that, now I haven't finished everything at the moment, so we've got the video and the video tag. Yeah. We won't worry too much about the error message. Let's go and have a look down here. It hasn't put that in at the moment. So video source equals HTML. And now the issue is this part here, which is the URL to the actual video itself, because it's instructing me to make sure it's this one here. So let's take the copy and let's paste that in. So it makes the line look very, very long now. But if we run that, and let's scroll down, and there we are. I think there's a video there. However, I haven't added the controls section. So let's put controls, which now will add a play and a pause button. So that's always comes in handy. And there we are. There's the play button. Pause. Keep playing so you can see, and also the volume. So that's the basic controls. So now I also have to put in the the size that it wanted. Let's have a look. Be sure to create the video tag. Define the width as 320. It wants 320. 320. And I think it also wants us to make the height. But let's go and have a look to see what happens. If we do that, it doesn't really change it. But what happens now if I put the height tag in equals 240? If you know the width and height of your images, of your videos, then fine. But let's run that. So it shows the same one. That's fine, that's okay. My preference is not to use the height because I don't like distortion of images or videos. So if I run that size, let's just go and have a look, and here you see the video. The height of it is a little bit short now. In fact, it's put it into that frame. So it's readjusted the size of the video, but changed the size of the frame. So not happy with that because I can't move on to the next task. So 240, let's put it back. And here's my yellow. Oh, video not supported inside. Oh, that's because I've added too much text. So click on run. Include the text video not supported inside the video tags. It is current. And because I'm not using the correct text, it should just say video not supported. So that's how picky they are. There we are. Good. So now it's working fine. And if I wanted to in between it, we could put a BR in between it, which we learned before, just to make a line break in between, just so we got a little bit of space in between each media. Click on next. And then we're on to a review here, where it tells you all about the different tags. It tells you a little bit about something else. Do have a look at the video, which is the HTML structure, which it says, and then we click on up next to the next one. Okay, so in the next one, start lesson, and I'll be in touch with more of that. Get in contact if there are any issues.